is a nice way to practice the ocho. Here you have the reference of the bar. I use my hand to keep my torso always facing to the bar, and my steps are parallel to the bar. Forward ochos and backward ochos. Good.
So we'll start with forward. And this is something that Miranda has said many times, but this is a great opportunity to practice stepping, bringing your feet together, doing the complete ocho, and then taking the step, right? So that we don't get in the habit of basically kind of shorting ourselves when it comes to doing the ocho. We'll go back